This is what you need after a hard day. Maybe something went wrong. Maybe things didn't go to plan. So come to this video any day where things have been a little bit rough around the edges. We will be going into a calm, soothing breathing and small meditation. And then we will go through a couple of questions to reset yourself, ground down, and shift our mindset and come out of the emotional turmoil that a difficult day can cause. So come sitting down in a comfortable way. Take a deep breath, exhale. Feel how everything is emptying out from your system. One more time. Inhale. Expand and exhale. Drop away from the tension. And a third time. Inhale. Expand through the rib cage all the way up to the collarbones. Hold the breath. And an exhale. Let your shoulders drop away. Your mind release, and just feel yourself coming into yourself for a moment. Now we're going to just scan our body for a moment with some simple exercises so you can see where the tension is sitting for you. Raise up the shoulders up to the ears. Inhale a little bit higher and exhale down. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, let go. Third time. Inhale. Exhale, let go. And now tip the head to the right. Exhale here. Feel the shoulders drop away. Breathe softly. One more time. And then inhale up. Exhale to the other side. Exhale out and release tension from the neck and the upper shoulder blades. Inhale. Exhale, let go. Inhale up to center. Interlock the fingers, raise them up overhead, stretch out, move the upper body. Let's lose any tension that you have in the upper body into the hips, sway to side. Breathe while you do this. So don't hold the breath. Let the breath guide out any stagnant energy in the body. And release, let go. Good. Now coming into the center of the spine again, we place one hand on the chest, one on the belly. And as we exhale, we draw the belly button in towards the spine. And as we inhale, we feel the belly puff out and expand and become bigger. Exhale. Let the whole torso sink in and draw the belly button in. Inhale from the belly and expand up into the torso. Exhale. The belly to be lost, sinking in. Inhale, the belly is first expanding. Expand upwardly in all directions. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Drop the hands down on the knees. Close the eyes if it's comfortable to you. You can also just place the hands into the lap any way that it's comfortable, but remain straight into the back. Take the chin slightly down so it's not pointing upwards. As you let go of the deeper, more conscious breathing, just breathe normally, but still keeping some focus on the belly so it expands as you inhale. Exhale and let it sink in towards the spine. Take this moment to release any thoughts, any troubles, and just become blank, even for a split second. Just release it all, let go. Feel the face relaxing, the forehead, in between the eyebrows, behind the eyes, the cheeks, the jaws, and even the teeth are relaxed. And softly, gently open your eyes. Think about one thing that you feel grateful for today. Just one thing. Maybe it was a moment of pause in the day, the moment you woke up. Maybe it was something you ate, maybe just coming home. Just find one thing that you feel grateful for. Take a moment to think about it, let it settle into you. And then think about one thing that you have learned today. Again, just one thing that you learned, even if that was, I learned that today was a bad day, or I learned that I get triggered by X, Y, and Z, or I learned that I don't like spending time in such and such person's company, whatever it might be. Just note it down mentally to yourself. Take a moment to sit with it. And then finally, setting an intention for how you would like to continue the rest of the day, or if you're watching this before going to bed, how you would like your night to be. You can set an intention that here on after today, I will continue my evening calm, focused, and grounded, for instance. Or for the rest of the evening, I will let go of whatever has been bothering me and I will be focusing on being joyful. Or this night, I am sleeping well and deeply, resting. Whatever intention you set, close your eyes, take a moment, really feel it in the body. You're meaning it. This is the way you're going forward. As soon as this video is finished, and you continue. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you want to book a free consultation with me, my link is in the bio.